Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure QuickBooks Online for tax-ready bookkeeping step by step clearly. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Once logged in, navigate to the gear icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Account and Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Account and Settings window, go to the Your Company section. Enter your business name, address, and contact information if not already filled out. Next, click on the Sales tab to set up your sales preferences. Make sure to toggle on the option for Custom Transaction Numbers if you want to track in. Scroll down to the Sales Tax section and select Edit. Turn on the Sales Tax feature to ensure all taxable sales are tracked correctly. After enabling Sales Tax, choose the appropriate tax agency for your location. If necessary, add any additional tax rates applicable to your business. Now, navigate to the Expenses tab in the Account and Settings. Set up your preferences for bills and expenses, ensuring you categorize them accurately. Next, go to the Taxes tab on the left sidebar. Select Sales Tax to set up your sales tax tracking details further. Visit the Chart of Accounts by clicking on Accounting in the left menu. Review the accounts listed and add any new accounts necessary for better tracking of income and expenses. Ensure you have separate accounts for income, operating expenses, and any deductions. Next, go back to the gear icon and click on Products and Services. Add all your products and services, ensuring to classify them correctly. Now, create invoices by navigating to the plus New button on the left sidebar. Select Invoice and input customer details, products, services, and applicable tax rates. Next, set up your bank connection by going to Banking on the left menu. Click on Link Account to connect your business bank account for seamless transaction uploads. Categorize your downloaded transactions daily to keep your bookkeeping organized. Finally, review your financial reports to check your tax readiness. Go to Reports in the sidebar and run the profit and loss statement along with the balance sheet. Make adjustments as necessary to ensure everything matches your expectations. With these steps completed, your QuickBooks Online is now configured for tax-ready bookkeeping. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.